The Rawls Summer Business Institute is a business certificate program, and it's designed to provide exposure to the key business disciplines to non-business majors. I think the best way to think about the institute is that it's a summer business boot camp. It's an intense summer semester where you go through all of the various disciplines of business. It is meant to kind of enhance the degree that you're already getting. So it basically is for non-business majors, giving them the ability to read financial statements, giving them the ability of how to deal with employees. So I think the overarching goal is to provide you with information that enables you to understand how business is run.
There are workshops on how to prepare a resume, how to interview, how to engage in professional conversations, how to introduce yourself to recruiters. Receiving those workshops from a business school complements very well with the content that the students are receiving. So this goes very well with economics, it goes very well with mass communications, engineering, with biology even, any non-business major, because it complements very well, we think, with any profession.